today something special. Why? Because it's Tag Heuer, it's first one, and second it's a diver's watch. I know you like, everybody like a diver's watch, mostly. Okay, Tag Heuer. Some dust, yeah? It's okay, no problem. Short guarantee. Nothing here. Quartz watch. Very interesting because it's not really quartz watch. It's automatic movement. Let me show this. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Okay, with a beautiful watch. I like this color. 1, 2, 3. Ta-dam! Okay. Tag Heuer always do this. Add some white paper. Very nice. Diver's watch. This looks like leather, right? But not in this case. This is a rubber. Wow. So, it's Tag Heuer Formula 1. It's new series, not like we saw Formula 1 a couple years ago. I already had some review for a couple Tag Heuer Formula 1. You can see what different, but in this and previous model. Retail price $2,000. Online store price, best online store price $1,175. It's 41% off, and I can tell it's very affordable price for this watch. Sometimes I saw some comments on YouTube about, oh, Tag Heuer spent more money for advertisement than for do something more interesting. But I like Tag Heuer, and I see Tag Heuer always have much more viewers than any other brand. Be it maybe all another, be it and Breitling and Omega and Oris and Hamilton, maybe number one. Maybe not beat Rolex, but because another brand, people said it's not so good brand, you know, blah blah blah. But and said some I don't know, some very expensive brand like $100,000 or $60,000. Definitely, it's if it's watching 60 times more higher price, definitely it'd be more interesting. But who can afford to watch for like $35,000? Somebody, yes, but not so many people. But a watch for $1,175, like this model, many people can afford, right? And it's why we like Tag Heuer. So about this model, I tell you about price. It's a self-winding automatic movement. Forget about this paper and the manual. It's quartz. Sometimes if you buy some watch in store, you can get a manual from another model, not another brand, another model, but no big deal. How long we can pay attention for this manual? Few seconds. You can if you need something serious and how this work, your watch, go online and download PDF file and read. Very simple. So about watch, size 41 millimeter. Thickness 13 millimeters, I guess. I'm not sure about this. It's a Tag Heuer caliber 5. You can see this information on deal. Power reserve 38 hour. Screw down crown, you can see. And I like this red line. What is this? It's like, I don't know. It's so deep, but looks like plastic. Very smooth and soft. Okay. And okay, water resistant 200 meters or 660 feet. It's why this watch diver's watch, 200 meters. Unidirectional rotating black bezel. What next? Scratch resistant sapphire. Solid case back with logotype. A second, right here. Like I said, it's a black rubber with a tag Heuer. Very simple. Case, it's a black titanium carbide coated steel case. It's why I like this, because regular stainless steel it's okay, but if case watch looks like this black one, it's more interesting. Okay, you wanna see this watch in dark, right? I guess. 1, 2, 3. Ta-dam! Wow. Definitely I like this. Very bright and cool. Cool. Let me. Wow. If you do this in underwater, you can wake up some big shark, I guess. Okay, and here, let me try. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, almost here. I guess it's a very popular watch and maybe be sold everywhere very fast. I think, I'm not sure, but if you like this watch, do something right now. You see, right? Everything. Beautiful watch. Black divers. Heuer Formula 1. Okay, one more time. All small details. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website ireviewwatches.com. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.